Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Microsoft Whiteboard and signing in with the account you'll use. Once done, create a new board and give it a clear name so others can find it. Make sure to set sharing permissions right away. Choose specific people for private work or link sharing for open collaboration. Next, pick a background grid to guide layout and select basic tools, pen, highlighter, and sticky note, so you can start placing content immediately and keep the space organized. Now you'll construct the board. Write or sketch with pens and switch colors to contrast ideas. Once done, insert images or files for reference and add text boxes for clear headings and action items. Use frames to group related content and rearrange them by dragging so flow matches your agenda. Make sure to lock completed objects to avoid accidental edits. Finally, invite collaborators, enable live cursors to see presence, and assign colors to people so tracking contributions stays simple. To finish, run a quick review. Tidy stray marks, finalize frames, and prepare the board for presentation by collapsing or expanding sections as needed. Once ready, export the board as PNG or SVG, or save it to OneDrive for long-term access, and update sharing permissions to control who can view or edit. If you encounter sync or loading issues, first check your internet connection, then sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or switch to the web version. This usually resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.